Hello, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, and hello to everybody. In this video, I'm gonna help you to understand how I create a vision script, an ideal scene, my dreams, how I put them all together. So what I do over a period of time when I'm writing my goals, dreams, and desires, I start off with It Works, the little red book that makes your dreams come true. I have a list here of my It Works statement. And you might notice I keep my notes in a plastic magazine cover because sometimes I like to stick it somewhere. Sometimes I might like to stick it in the shower so that when I'm receiving that shower of abundance and the water running on me, I'm looking at my goals and dreams and receiving it, because that is another time when you can reprogram your subconscious mind. First thing in the morning, right before I go to sleep, and now reintroducing when you're in the shower or you're taking a bath. One of those two places you can reprogram your mind. So back to what I was talking about. Life script. People are asking me, so what do I write in my life script? What do I put down on my vision statement for my life? What do I put as my ideal scene? There are various ways you can call it, but it all boils down to getting a piece of paper and a blue pen, sitting down and thinking, what do I want? What do I need? What do I want to create? You start off by writing what you want. I always tell my clients and people that I work with, write down 1 to 10 on that sheet of paper. Does that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just write that down, 1 to 10. And on each line, write something that you want to experience. Like me, I love luxury dining. I love fine dining food. So I'm writing luxury dining and first class treatment. Luxury dining, first class treatment. With self-care, including complete body overhaul with vitamins and minerals and everything. Put that down on my list. That's what I like to experience. Secondly, you can write whatever you want. Second, third, fourth, fifth. You write down everything down to the best of your ability. I just use bullet points for me. So I have 10 things down. And then I expand on them. I write everything down, as you can see. I write everything down with blue pen and white paper. My life script. I wake up in the morning, the sun is shining on my face. That's how I start. You can decide whatever you want to do. And then I'm going down and I'm seeing things like when I'm leaving to go out, I can see the silver color of my car's door handle and I approach it. So I put that down there because I have a nice car. So you just, excuse me, you just break everything down. I just use bullet points. And don't rush it. One of my mentors told me, give yourself a good week. Some people already know what they want. Great. So when I continue talking, we'll take off from there. But for those of you in the beginning trying to understand what to do, give yourself a week, because your desires change as you're assimilating new information. As I'm speaking with you now, in the next 7 days, you're going to fine-tune and upgrade your dreams. Just watch. So then you read your statement once or twice a day. I read mine as many times as I can. Sometimes I just carry it around and look at it. It registers in the mind. That is the goal, for it to register in your mind. So when you put all these goals together, or dreams, desires, I just like to write, you put them all together and condense them down into a card. Some call it a goal card, some call it a target card, some call it a point goal. It doesn't matter what you call it. You're just meant to get a card. You could even get a piece of paper Card size, it doesn't matter. The goal is to have something like your target. It's all your written statements. You will fine tune it down to one statement. That is your target. Then you have your vision statement, your dream statement, your life goals, your everything in there. And then, third, you got to create images that go along with your card, your script, and then you create a dream sheet. That is just the standard to get you going to your goal. So I always tell everybody, do that first, just write things down and then collectively put them together and condense them down to something on your card that you keep. Then, some of you might want to upgrade that whole dream sheet, life script, target sheet. You can now use AI, artificial intelligence, by simply going into the ChatGPT or whatever you want to use. Simply type in, "Hi, this is my life script with key points. List your key points, whatever number." I use like 10. And tell it, "Can you please give me a 2 to 3 minute story of the life in the day of this person with these 10 dreams and goals." And hit enter. In a few minutes, or sorry, I do apologize, in a few seconds, it's going to give you a printout or like a reply. Like that. It broke everything down into how I could be living if I so desire. A dream sheet. AI has taken my A paper to an A plus paper. And so then I go back, I rewrite this out, and I read it twice a day. But to amplify it, I get my phone, I speak it into my phone, and play it on repeat until further notice. There is no time to finish it. You will know when you want to stop and change. Like for me, I just record it, I play it on repeat. I keep the phone anywhere in my home. It's playing constantly. I'm in the shower, I play it while I have my sheet and I'm reading it. That is how I reprogram my mind fast, super fast. Like for my clients who are doing the Think and Grow Rich Action Challenge, these are the action steps that I tell them to do. So it helps them to like receive these quantum jumps quickly. So you have your dream sheet. Read it at least once or twice a night. Once or twice a day, maybe twice a night for some of you. And if you're not going to read it, at least look at it. Just by mere looking at it, it's deepening the grooves in your mind. So you have this you're looking at, and you got your goal card, your target, your dream card, your dream sheet, your goal card, condensed to one statement. So that's what I wanted to share with you out there, is that this is how I, myself personally, go through setting up my life scripts, my dream sheets, my ideal scene, my vision statement. That's how I do it. So I hope you're able to get, some nuggets in there and use for yourself. And until the next video, thank you.